Introducing the new Jetwave accessory JW-175 changeover foam and wash lamp. This lance allows for quick and easy on-the-fly swapping from foam to high-pressure clean applications. The lance is fantastic in the field of fleet washing and exterior chemical applications and can work best with our JW inline foaming injector or our JW Pro Foam bypass injector systems in order to introduce your desired chemical. This JW-75 lance specifications are max pressure of 5,075 PSI, 350 bar, a max flow rate of 45 litres a minute, max temperature of 100 degrees C, and it's supplied with our J5500K snap tail, allowing for much easier on-the-fly lance and accessory changeover. The total length is 650 millimeters. The material is high quality stainless steel 1/4-inch tubes with a high density plastic thermal insulation. It has the integrated flow diverter valve. The head is the JW-75P. The nozzle guard is a high density, hard wearing one-piece rubber JW-10 with a 1/4-inch NPT female outlet. Please note that to complete this system, a foam injector is required, a foam head nozzle, and a high pressure cleaning nozzle specific to the performance of your machine in terms of flow and pressure. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch more insightful video content coming your way on Jetwave's channel.